Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsule for pimples, updated. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. Then squeeze one vitamin E capsule onto a clean fingertip and apply a small amount to the pimple only. Leave it on overnight or for a few hours based on your patch test results. Repeat every other night while monitoring for irritation or increased redness. Gently press one vitamin E capsule and use a clean cotton swab to dot the oil on the pimple, avoiding surrounding skin. For sensitive or oily skin, dilute 1 drop of vitamin E into a pea-sized amount of non-comedogenic moisturizer before applying. Keep applications limited to the spot and do not use on broken skin or large cysts without professional guidance. Check skin each morning and stop if irritation develops. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: I love Darn Tough socks for daily comfort and durability because they come with a lifetime warranty and they make mornings a little nicer when you're tending to skincare routines. For convenience, check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks, and now let's get back to the video. Use vitamin E treatments at night so the oil can absorb without sunscreen or makeup interference. Start with every other night to observe how your skin reacts and reduce frequency if pores feel clogged. Give your skin at least 2 weeks to show improvement, but stop immediately if you see increased redness, swelling, or itching. If concerns persist or an adverse reaction appears, reach out to a dermatologist for tailored advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.